In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Steam two-factor authentication or Steam Guard. This adds an extra layer of protection to your Steam account by requiring a second code when you sign in. I will start with the recommended method using the Steam mobile app. Then show you how to use email if you don't have a smartphone. Follow along and feel free to pause as you complete each step. Using the mobile app gives you the strongest security because it ties login approval to a physical device. Begin by installing the Steam mobile app on your Android or iOS device and signing in with your Steam account. Once you are in, look at the bottom of the app for the shield icon labeled Steam Guard and tap it. On the Steam Guard screen, choose Add Authenticator. The app will guide you through a quick verification process. Simply enter the on-screen verification code when prompted so Steam can confirm it's really you. Next, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. Enter your number and complete the SMS verification by typing in the code Steam sends to your phone. This step links your authenticator to your device and enables secure recovery options if you ever switch phones. When that's done, Steam will display an R recovery code. Write this code down and store it somewhere safe and offline, such as a notebook or a secure document you control. Do not share it with anyone. This recovery code is essential if you lose your phone and need to regain access to your account. From now on, when you log in, you'll use the one-time code shown in the app's Steam Guard screen. The code changes every 30 seconds, so open the app when you need it and enter the current code during sign-in. That's it for the mobile method. Your account now has the highest level of protection Steam offers. If you don't have a smartphone, you can still enable Steam Guard using email. Open the Steam desktop client. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Go to the Security tab and click Manage Steam Guard. Choose Get Steam Guard Codes by email. Steam will log you out to apply the change. Log back in, then check your email for the code Steam sends and enter it to complete setup. Keep your email account secure, since it becomes your second factor for future logins. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.